Hello children. Children, many times when you are new at certain places, you like to get connected with the people. You like to meet new people. In this particular lesson, a huge fish is there, but she is very kind and humble by nature. But she wants to become friend with the small fishes. Finally, what happened? Let us go through this lesson, and that is Keta goes missing. You know the name of that huge fish? The name of that huge fish is Keta. So, let us start the lesson. I hope so you all are ready, right? Ready? Yes. Now, children, you can see over here. Keta is a giant fish. It lived in the sea. Fishes always live in the sea. And that whales and that big fishes, they also live in the sea. Down at the bottom of the sea, they have their houses also. Right, children? It had big round eyes and a very sharp teeth from inside. There were many fishes in the sea, but of different colors: yellow, red, orange, white, blue. Right, children? Now, what happened? They were small and swam in group. These all fishes, they were good friends of each other. They used to swim together, they used to live together, they used to play together, right? All these colorful fishes, they used to live together, they used to swim together, and they used to play together. Keta wanted to make friends with them. You know, Keta was, every time whenever these small fishes used to play, Keta used to stand, used to see from far that these fishes are playing. One day she wished to become the friend of these fishes. What happened? But they did not want to be friends with Keta. You know why? Why? Because Keta was a huge fish and that fishes were very small. Right, children? So what happened? Because Keta was a very giant fish, those small fishes, they said no. That no, we don't want to make you our friend, or we don't want to be your friend also. Let's see what afterwards, what happened, children? They were scared of Keta. They were scared of Keta. Why they were scared of Keta? Why they were afraid of Keta? Because Keta was a giant fish. Right, children? Now, whenever Keta would go near them, so when these small fishes were playing, children, and whenever Keta used to go near them, what happened? All the small fishes used to swim away. They used to run fast here and there. Children, whenever you are playing in your flat, your building, your any playground, if you see any unknown person, your strange person continuously following you, what you will do? You will get afraid, you will get frightened, and you will run away from that particular place. The same thing the small fishes also felt. They felt very afraid. They started, come on, fast. These giant fish may eat us. So what they did, whenever the Keta used to come near them, these all small fishes used to swim away and go away. One evening, there was a storm in the sea. One evening, what happened? These all small fishes were playing, and suddenly there was a storm in the sea. All fishes wanted to save their lives. Children, suddenly you are sitting at your home, and very normally you all are living, all are doing your regular work, and suddenly a fast wind start blowing. What you all will do first? Close the doors, close the windows, so you can save your life. Some people, those who are staying outside, they will go fast at some protective places. Right, children? The same thing these fishes did. they started going to certain place where they can save their lives. What happened? They formed a large group of fishes they formed. All fishes together formed a large group and hid means they hide behind a huge rock. A huge rock means a big stone was there. A very huge stone was there. This all small fishes in a group, they hide behind that huge stone at the bottom of the sea. They directly went at the bottom of the sea where the ground was there. There was a huge stone. All these small fishes hide behind that huge stone and they saved their life. When the storm was over, the fishes started playing. Again, when the storm was over, all the fishes started relaxing themselves and they started playing again. Now, suddenly what happened? A red fish noticed something. A red color fish. Can you see this, children, a red color fish? Yes. A red color fish noticed something. What she noticed? Keta was not around. Today, she did not see Keta. Now what happened? The red fish said, "Has anyone seen Keta?" She asked to other small fishes that why whenever we are playing, every day we are playing, Keta is over here. Today, I am not able to see Keta anywhere. Has anyone seen Keta? She asked to everyone. Now what happened? I have not seen it after the storm. As soon as the storm got over, I have not seen Keta here anywhere. Otherwise, Keta would be here somewhere only. But today, after the storm has got over, I have not seen Keta anywhere. Now what happened? Days passed. Keta could not be seen only. All the small fishes, let it be. They were not friends, but they were worried about Keta, that what would happen to Keta. Now what happened, children? Let us see next. Though Keta was not a friend of the small fishes, they started missing it. All the small fishes, they were worried about Keta. They started missing Keta. The orange color fish said, now can you see this orange color fish, children? Yes, now this orange color fish said, Keta is a nice fish. It is very big, but it never harmed us. Sometimes, children, we are not able to recognize a person. Okay, it is a strange person, we will get afraid of that person. Until and unless we don't get connected with that person, we are not able to recognize a person. But orange fish was knowing Keta very nicely. What it said? That let it be. Keta is a huge fish, but she has never harmed us. She is always far from us. We are getting afraid of it, but it has never harmed us. It is a very big, but it never harmed us. Now what happened? The white color fish added something. White color fish also felt something. So what? You are right. Also, other big fish did not harm us because Keta was around. Now the small fishes understood the importance of Keta. That Keta is a good fish, but we were not able to know Keta properly. White color fish said that you are right, orange color fish. Keta never harmed us, but when Keta was around us, other huge fishes never came near to us and harmed us. Otherwise, there were many huge fishes in this particular sea, in this particular area. But we are safe and sound because Keta is nearby us. Now finally what happened? They were also scared of it. Few days later, some fishes saw a fisherman. Can you see, children? Now, a fisherman with big nets. They also saw, what they saw? Whales and other big fishes passing by. Some other small fishes, what they saw? A fisherman with the net. Can you see the fisherman? Few fishermen were there. And see how they are catching the fishes? Right? So, now the small fishes started talking among themselves. Oh my God, now Keta is not seen. Few fishes saw the fisherman over here. Few fishermen were there. Now what happened? Have the fishermen caught Keta? And they were anxious. Now finally, few days passed, then also Keta was not seen. So everyone were worried about Keta. They were very anxious. Now what happened? One day, a small blue fish went deep down. Now the blue color fish had an idea that let me go more deep down in the bottom of the sea and let me see if Keta is stuck anywhere. Either it is in any problem, what? There it saw Keta, a small blue color fish saw Keta. The big fish was caught up in the seaweeds. Children, can you see these seaweeds? The green color long seaweeds. Yes, seaweeds, what are the seaweeds? A plant which grows underwater in the sea. And Keta was rounded up with that particular seaweeds and it was stuck over there. Stuck between the rocks in the seaweeds. Now what happened? The small fishes swam up and called the other fishes. Yes, finally what happened? The blue color fish then afterwards swam up. It called the other fishes down. Soon many fishes came there. And what happened afterwards? They got together and with all that strength, with all that power, they started cutting the seaweeds with their sharp teeth. Finally, they wanted to help Keta because Keta was stuck over there. Right? Now what happened? They took Keta to a safe place. Finally, Keta was freed from the seaweeds and finally they took Keta to the safest place. Some of the fishes had sharp teeth. They tore the seaweeds, as I said, with their sharp teeth, they tore the seaweeds. After a few hours, Keta was free. Keta thanks them. All fishes became friends with Keta. Finally, the small fishes also understood the importance of Keta, and Keta was also lucky that she had good friends. It had good friends. They started again playing together and Keta then afterwards never felt lonely again. Lonely means first Keta was feeling very alone, but now Keta has got very good friends and finally Keta was having a good friends and every day Keta used to play with these fishes in the sea. So children, the moral is you should be always kind and helpful to others. In your life, if anyone needs any kind of help, you should be ready for that. Don't ask anyone that who you are. You just help them. That is a good attitude of a human being. I hope so children, you have understood this lesson very nicely. Thank you.